Hi everybody, this is Mark Siegel, and I just came across this Google Chrome extension that I wanted to share out to everyone because I think it'll be a game changer for a lot of people. So go to your Chrome web store and type in comment and talk. Okay, and you should see this first one where it says voice notes anywhere. Add that to Chrome, hit add extension. It's going to take a second to load it into your Chrome. You'll notice that this page will pop up. We can X out of that page. But then on your toolbar is this little blue microphone. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to a Google Doc, a Google Classroom, whatever it is, and whatever it is, you're going to see this blue microphone appear on your right. Now, if you don't see the blue microphone, just refresh the page and it should pop up. If nothing else, just click on the microphone and you should see it turned on in the process. So what this allows you to do is create a voice note and post a voice note anywhere you want to on a Google Chrome, anything. It doesn't matter what it is. So let me take one. Hey everybody, it's Thursday, April 23rd. I'm not going to get to see you on Friday, but I wanted to just wish everyone a happy weekend. Hope you're being safe. Hope you're being healthy. Okay, so now I made my voice note, and what's going to happen, it's going to process that note on their website, and it's going to give me this link here. I'm going to copy. I'm going to then paste this into the into the stream of my Google Classroom. And when I do that, you will see it says voice note. So now if I click the plus, hey everybody, it's Thursday, April 23rd. I'm not going to get to see you on Friday, but I wanted to just wish everyone a happy week. So now I was able to leave a personalized message to my students without having to create a video or do any type of editing or anything like that. Now this also works for Google Docs. So if you want to go to a Google Doc and open up a Google Doc, okay, so my voice note is here. So I'm going to click voice note. Hey Eileen, I love what you did in this document. I love the use of both photographics and text. I have a little problem with this wording right here, and I'm going to highlight this for you. If you can get back to me and tell me why you did this, I would greatly appreciate it. So I'm going to create my little comment. And the beauty of Google Docs is you can highlight what you're focusing in on when you do the comment. So I'm going to wait for my little voice note comment to pop up. I'm going to click copy, and I'm going to highlight this section right here, and I'm going to use the comments feature, and I'm going to add a comment and click there. Now I don't have to type out my comment. Hey, Eileen, I love what you did in this document. I love the use of both photographics and text. So now I don't have to type out a comment. I can verbally leave a comment. Now I'm a big fan of Kaizena. If you've never used Kaizena, it's a really cool app for Google Docs and other things, but this is super fast, super easy, sits in my Chrome extension. I can do this for websites, I can do this for Google Slides, I can do this for Google Classroom, I can do it all over the place. And so it's got a lot of flexibility. So hopefully you're able to use this and you'll find it meaningful.